The demo you see before yourself is called a ballistic pendulum, and it composes of three major areas. First is a gun. It's got a nice little 22 caliber bullet in it. Second is the block that's going to receive the bullet. And third is a measuring device that'll tell us the final position of the block that has the bullet embedded in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to load up the gun, fire the gun. The bullet is going to lodge itself in the block, causing the block to swing in a pendulum, thus the name ballistic pendulum. And it's going to change the angle that it rests at. This block is going to lift a little bit further off where it's currently at, and we'll be able to see that with the angle that it makes. So let's load up the gun and see what happens with the ballistic pendulum. When you're watching this, however, you want to make some careful notes, because we're going to try to figure out what the bullet speed is when it leaves the gun. That's really the point of a ballistic pendulum, is trying to figure out the muzzle velocity of, for in this case, the 22 caliber bullet. So we have our gun loaded with a 2.55 gram bullet. We're about to shoot it into the 1073 gram block that's hanging off of a pendulum that's 56 centimeters. So without further ado, all right, in 3, 2, 1.